Hi, welcome to my next video blog, my fourth video blog. I'd like to talk about posture relating to the left hand and the arm. Now, when you're starting out, it's really important that you've got some sort of shoulder rest, just so that we learn not to be tight or tense when we're holding the violin. If we've got the violin and we're here and we bring it up here, we can get all sorts of tension in our shoulder. So, as a starter, I suggest you got a nice sponge or a shoulder rest, something like this. A lot of you have sponges like this, just to put it on so you feel nicely supported. If you're holding your violin correctly with your shoulder, you'll be able to hold it mostly without your arm because you have the support there. Now, you will hold it a little bit with your left hand, but not very much. It's mostly here, so you should be able to take your hand away like that and your violin won't fall away. That's why we need to have sponges. So that's really important. Now, I just want to show you left hand. So I'm going to bring my hand. It's going to look really big. Okay. So make sure your hand is a nice V shape and you just put it round like this. Okay. So if you notice, my knuckles to my elbow, there is not really a bend or a kink. It's more or less a straight line, straight all the way down there. Okay. And this will mean that you'll have arm flexibility and freedom to become more advanced. Now, if you're relaxed, then if you're at the right angle here, you can, or correct angle I should say, then you'll be able to put your first finger down straight like this. Okay, you're going to put your first finger rather than down like this. I'm just going to show you a bit nearer so you can see, not squashed. You're going to put your first finger down like this. So your base knuckle, these two knuckle joints, base knuckles here, the other two knuckle joints are there. Okay, I'll put my other fingers away for now, but eventually we want all your fingers to be round like this so that they can all come down and bendy like that. So make sure your first finger can go down like this on the tip. You will need a short fingernail. Okay, if your nail is too long, you will not be able to press it down like that. So you need to make sure your fingernail is short so you can press it down on the tip. So practice tapping down like that. If you're really firm, you'll be able to hear it squeeze. So my violin's not very well in tune. So I start with on the D string, and then you put your first finger down. You'll hear that. If you don't squeeze it down firm enough, it doesn't sound right. It'll sound like it's broken. So make sure you squeeze your finger down. Okay? 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 And as you use a fingertip, it'll be more precise than using a flat finger. So remember to use a fingertip. It might mean that you have a little line on the tip of your finger as you get used to it. But that won't, it shouldn't really hurt. It might be a tiny bit uncomfortable, but it won't really be proper pain. And as you get used to that, your skin will harden a little bit and you'll be able to play really easily. So when you're tapping your first finger down, make sure it's like this and not like this. Okay, that's it for today. Happy practicing. Bye.